I lead the global deployment for Capgemini. So all the deployments in globally comes under me. Uh, Everyone has covered different aspects, which is common that we need more security while people are working from home. We need to manage the real estate and we need to reduce it. That's okay. Everyone is doing that. Something which is more we need to do this time is because Capgemini is even in India spread across almost all states. And many of the real estates taken by Capgemini is in the SEZ, and we are getting some special benefits due to being in the SEZ. So there was an immediate need for us to fulfill the changing requirement from the SEZ that the data which is accessed by Capgemini employees while they are sitting at home should be routed through the SEZ sites. That was a very new requirement which was given to us, and we need to cater that. So for that, we need to provision that immediately. We build an infrastructure for the users because now they are working from their hometowns. Although they, like, for example, they belongs to Mumbai, they belongs to Delhi, but now they don't know when the COVID situation will be over. Most of them have shifted to their hometowns. So making sure now their data is routing through the SEZ site was a bigger challenge for us, which is looks to be a different from others, which we did. So other than that, the question you ask is that how the business has been improved. Definitely the requirement has been increased, not decreased for Capgemini at all. Being the IT organization, now people have started realizing the importance of IT more, and the business is increasing. The it is for the all the IT organization, not only for the Capgemini. The it is challenging to manage the iteration, that we need to make sure that people stay with the organization, especially for the younger group of people. We're doing that. There are several activities has been started to make sure that people stick with their organization. Um, the other areas which we are working right now is the user satisfaction. That is on the very high priority. That how can we make sure that people working from home are getting connectivity without any disruption, and there are multiple channels they can get their access on their applications using the virtual environment. Making sure initially the policy was the BYOD cannot be used. Now we have enhanced. We have started people using their own devices and connect to the organization infrastructure. So those are the certain changes we have made, but bringing those solution in place took us a lot of efforts. Uh, Being the large organization, we have 250K users worldwide. It was difficult to provision these solution for everyone, that they can connect their own devices to the network, making sure the devices are secure, so their posture check, and making sure the right applications and right security patches are updated. Only then they can connect it. Was a bigger challenge for us. So these are the two areas: SEZ and the end user satisfaction was the focus, and more or less we could achieve it in last 8 months.